Shalom Saints, if you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for StraitwayTV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, Sam.
Shalom, Mommy.
What are you going to read for us today?
Psalm 5.
All right. Thank you, buddy.
Give ear to my words, O Yahweh. Give heed to my sighing. Listen to the sound of my cry. My King and my Elohim. For to you I pray, O Yahweh. In the morning you hear my voice. In the morning I plead my case to you. And what? For you are not a Elohim who delights in wickedness. Evil will not sojourn with you. The boastful, what did they say?
The boastful.
Boastful will not stand before your eyes. You hate all evildoers. You destroy those who speak lies. Yahweh abhors the bloodthirsty and deceitful. But I, through the abundance of your steadfast love, will enter your house. I will bow down toward your holy temple. In awe of you, lead me, O Yahweh, in your righteousness because of my enemies. Make your way straight before me. For thou is no truth in thy mouths. Thou heart of destruction. Thou throats are open graves. They flatter with their tongues. Make them thou guilt, O Yah, O Elohim. Let them fall by their own counsels. Because of their many transgressions, cast them out. For they have rebelled against you. But let all who take refuge in you rejoice. Let them ever sing for joy. Spread your protection over them, so that those who love you, your name, may exult in you. For you bless the righteous, O Yahweh. You cover them with favor as with a shield.
Good job, buddy. 9 to 8.
4 to 8.
4 to 8.
Okay.
Action.
4 to 8. It says 4 and then this is 8.
Yeah. All right, go ahead.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for StraitwayTV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.